We are transporting you back to Normandy, France, 1944. And it is rumored that there are Germans in the area. But don't fear. The brave men of the 2nd Armored Division, supported by appropriate armor, are going to deal with that threat. So stay tuned, and you may see some live action coming right at you. Most of it will be here in the middle of the field, but without giving too much away, down towards my left in the far corner is a trench, and it is my understanding that that may be filled with enemy soldiers who would like nothing better than to stop the Allied advance into France through the hedgerows. So stay tuned and watch carefully.
With the greatest generation scouting out around him. Eyes on his feet.
Watch him. We're coming out of this hole. Stay the hell down! Hey, check that bunker. They're not alive.
Capturing one.
We're clear!
Dispatch.
Clear in front! Clear! Let's go! Let's go! Good shot, foot squad!
There are those who have been asked why this program. And the object is not to glorify combat, but rather is a reminder of what it took some 80 years ago to preserve and defend freedom. Your grandfathers, your great-grandfathers,
Sarge, what are we
were
doing?
19 years old. This is what they did. This is what they sacrificed. And this is the program that seeks to remind us that history, our history, is important to remember. Exactly.
All right, second flag, good job. Pull back up, let's move. All right, let's go.
there will be an additional program coming up shortly where, remember, we didn't do this alone. Including the Allies. Maybe you saw Winston Churchill on your way in. If not, you'll see him and FDR shortly. But once the field is clear of our living historians, we will have a unique British armor conflict. And I dare say it's pretty spectacular because no one else does this.
All right, guys, line it up, let's go.
By the way, if you think maintaining American World War II vehicles is tough, you ain't seen nothing yet. The British vehicles are particularly difficult to maintain and to run. So if you hear a stream of profanity, know that it will be historically correct.